friends, my name is Kiki G. I'm a makeup artist and the founder of Salt New York, and today I wanted to introduce you to my newest offspring, the Palette Mini. It's so cute. This is a product that I've wanted to create since quite literally day one of this company, and I'm so excited that it exists now. The Palette Mini is the baby version of the original palette that we launched on Kickstarter 2 years ago. Should we take a look inside? Just like its predecessor, it's a magnetic palette. It's fully customizable. This is just a magnetic sheet. You can pick what colors you want to put inside. It has a full-size mirror. It's made from vegan and recycled materials that are super high quality, super durable, made to last. And as previously mentioned, it is extremely cute. You can purchase it on its own and it'll come without these pans inside. And it'll just be this magnetic sheet, and you can put makeup that you've depotted, or you can bundle it together with Cream Tint Pro, as I have done here. These are the shades that I typically wear and that I'm wearing right now. Cream Tint Pro, in case you don't already know, that rhymed, is our line of highlighters, bronzers, and lip and cheek creams. They're vegan, cruelty-free, non-comedogenic. They come in a full shade range that I personally tested and based the colors off of actual human beings. So the colors are good and natural looking. Seems important. There's not an unnatural or too orange or ashy tone to be found amongst the whole set of 18 colors. We're a zero waste company, so the cream tints come in these little envelopes that have a little thing in here to protect them, that are both recyclable and made from recycled paper. And the palette is built to last until your grandchildren's grandchildren inherit it from you. Assuming the planet sticks around that long. There's 3 different formulas for the tints. There's the Radiant Cream Tints, which are the highlighters, the Sculpt and Bronze Cream Tints, which are the bronzers, and the Lip and Cheek Cream Tints, which are for your lips and cheeks. They all feel really light and comfortable on the skin, and they come in a sheer buildable coverage that's really user-friendly and looks like skin. I filmed a little video earlier with my friend Chloe, and I'm going to insert that in a moment. Just a quick demo of them in action with the Palette Mini. I filmed this in natural light with no filters in HD so that you can really see as best as possible how well these blend and just how it looks like radiant, beautiful skin. Let's watch it. Okay, so she's already wearing a little bit of tinted moisturizer, and now I'm just taking the Sculpt and Bronze Cream Tint in the shade Light Medium and applying that to the areas where the sun just gives a little kiss to your face, using a buffing brush and a light hand. Oh, she's cute. And now I'm using Radiant Cream Tint in the shade Warm Tan, and I'm using that to just kind of add some luminosity to the bronzer. It's a little darker than her skin tone. And now I'm using Beige, which would actually be her highlight shade. It's a little bit lighter than her skin tone. I'm popping that onto the cheekbones, a little bit up into the brow bone, just to add some dimension. A little glow. I'm putting it on the Cupid's bow as well. And that's the Lip and Cheek Cream Tint in the shade Rose, and I'm putting that right on the highest points of her cheekbones with my finger, and a little bit on the lips as well. And that's it. There's a little before shot. Oh. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Boy, I'm so happy. Less than 1 minute old. I think that song's about a baby. You get the idea. Well, that was lovely. Successfully crowdfunding the original palette through Kickstarter and Cream Tint Pro through our previous pre-sale on our website has given us the freedom to create these products that we're so passionate about and should exist exactly the way that we want to make them without having to compromise anything. And I'm so excited to announce the pre-sale for the Palette Mini on our website, saltnewyork.com. It starts February 1st at midnight and it ends February 29th. There's a 29th this year, leap year, you get an extra day, at 11:59 p.m. The Palette Mini retails for $20 and Cream Tint Pro is $16 per pan. However, during the pre-sale this month only, it is 50% off when you bundle them together and you get 1 palette and 4 tints. And for the first time ever, we're offering free worldwide shipping just this month, just during the pre-sale. So that's $42 for a palette that apparently is going to be owned by your grandchildren, and 4 tints. You can pick out whatever 4 tints you want from our website. So you can use all highlighters, you can mix and match a little bit of each, just like I did, whatever you want to do. And yes, you can order all of the shades that have been sold out that you guys have been asking about through the pre-sale in your bundle. We have our manufacturers all ready to go. I'm so excited. And orders will be shipped this spring. My goal has always been to make classics. I don't want to make trendy products. I don't want to have product releases all the time. We put so much care and detail into our products, and I know you guys know that from your feedback, and it really, I appreciate it so much because I am a Virgo. I'm a double Virgo Taurus. I want to make perfect products and I don't want to compromise on anything. Salt New York exists because I want my makeup to be everything. I want it to be inclusive. I want it to be cruelty free. I want it to be good for the environment. I want it to be good for my face. I want it to be thoughtfully formulated and intentional and functional. And I feel like I'm not the only one that shares these desires. So I'm so grateful to those of you who have helped us get to this point. I'm so grateful to those of you who are new here, and I can't wait for you guys to have these products and hear your feedback because it makes me so happy. Anyway, the clock is ticking. Head on over to our site, saltnewyork.com, pre-order it today, and may the force be with you. Am I allowed to say that? I also just wanted to mention a quick thing. So I was doing a little research just like on our competition within the price range, and I saw that this severed leg on Amazon is $47. So that's $5 more. It does also have free shipping, but it's more expensive, and I feel that we have the superior product. So I'm just putting that out there for you.